Hello, hello, hello. It's SalonDivaV in the place to be, y'all. My kitchen. So today, y'all, we're going to be making some fire cider. So everything that we have today is the horseradish. We have the lemons for our citrus. We also have the oranges. We have some ginger. And we have onions, red onions, we have garlic, and we have habanero peppers. So it's not an exact science to this, but I have like, I cut up 2 habanero peppers, and you guys can see they are really small. If you want it hotter, you can add more. This is 1.5 of red onions. The horseradish, it was maybe like 1 stalk of horseradish, 1 piece of ginger, one orange, and 2 lemons. And also I have my homemade apple cider vinegar that we're going to use also. And this is a 1/2 gallon container that's already washed and cleaned. And what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna start with the onions first and just open up the onions as I put them in there and kind of make a, what do you call it? S'mores. So we're gonna just add onion, then a couple of lemons. Y'all can't even see that. So we added some onions first, then we added a couple of lemons, and then I'm gonna take a couple of pieces of horseradish, a couple of pieces of the garlic, a couple of pieces of the orange, some ginger, and just keep layering it. But we do want to have a lot of a lot of onion in here. And the horseradish. Make sure you stuff it down in there to get all of the ingredients in there. And then we're going to take the apple cider vinegar and just pour it on top. Try not to make a mess. See, I'm gonna just take my little spatula that comes in the canning set, and I'm gonna see if I can move some stuff around. I'm gonna add just a little more of the apple cider vinegar just to this line right here. I'm going to clean my container off. Okay, y'all, so this is the results of the fire cider. So we're going to put this in the pantry. It has to be in a dark place out of direct sunlight. So you put it in your pantry for 3 to 4 weeks, but you're going to shake this every day for 3 to 4 weeks. And then after those 3 to 4 weeks are up, you're going to strain out all of the ingredients and keep the tonic that's inside, and then you'll take that and put it in the refrigerator, and you can have teaspoon or a couple of ounces. You can mix it with honey daily, and it's going to help to prevent any colds for the flu season, the cold and flu season. For this video, SalonDivaV in the place to be, y'all. My kitchen. Thank y'all for coming. Thank y'all for watching this video. Share me with your family and your friends. Don't forget to check out my websites and social media links below. If you guys are a member of the channel, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you are a new sub, thank you, thank you, thank you. And until I see you guys in the next video, it's SalonDivaV in the place to be, y'all. You know what it is. Peace.